In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM backup in Hubspot. This is an essential skill for maintaining the integrity and security of your valuable business data. By the end of our short session, you will be equipped with the knowledge to safeguard your customer relationship management information with ease. Let's begin by heading over to Hubspot's website. What you'll want to do first is open your web browser and type in the URL for Hubspot. Once the page loads, you'll notice the home page highlighting the myriad of tools and features HubSpot offers to streamline your business tasks effectively. Next, you will need to log into your HubSpot account. Look for the login button, usually found at the top right hand corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account set up yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, simply input your email and password and proceed to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home interface. The home dashboard is designed to offer a comprehensive overview of all your ongoing operations, ranging from marketing, sales to customer support activities. Familiarize yourself with this layout to optimize your CRM experience. Now, to configure a backup, your next step is to navigate to the settings. To do this, locate the gear icon, often situated at the top of your HubSpot interface, and click on it. This action will direct you to a page where you'll see a variety of setting options related to your account and its features. Once inside the settings menu, scroll until you find the backup and restore option. This feature is crucial as it allows you to manage your data effectively, minimizing risks of accidental data loss. Click on the backup and restore tab to access more specific functionality related to your CRM data. With this tab open, you're just a step away from securing your CRM data. What you'll need to do next is click on the Create Backup button. This option is typically highlighted, making it easy to identify on the page. By clicking it, you initiate the process to save a snapshot of your database, a critical safety net for any business that relies heavily on data integrity. In just these few clicks, you've successfully navigated through HubSpot's user-friendly interface to create a CRM backup. Remember, regularly backing up your data ensures that your business information is safe, resilient against unforeseen technical mishaps, and easily restorable. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a CRM backup in HubSpot, rounding off our tutorial today. Thanks for following along, and remember to keep your digital resources protected by backing up regularly.